back, Zoom Auto family. Today, oh yes, we are talking about something that's got both old school muscle car purists and modern horsepower junkies absolutely losing their minds. The legend is back, meaner, louder, and more unapologetically American than ever before. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2025 Chevy Nova SS454. This isn't just a badge revival. No. This is a full throttle resurrection, a love letter to the golden era of street domination. Rebuilt with 21st century engineering and wrapped in a body that screams "get out of my way." Exterior, the street predator. Let's start with how this beast looks, because even standing still, the 2025 Nova SS454 is pure intimidation. Up front, you've got a wide blacktop grille stretching across the fascia, flanked by modern LED headlights that pay homage to the original Nova circular design. Dead center, the bold SS badge. No mistaking what you're dealing with here. The functional cowl induction scoop on the hood isn't just for show. It's breathing life into the monster V8 hiding underneath. Down low, a matte black carbon fiber splitter adds both aerodynamic bite and a street fighter attitude. From the side, it's nostalgia blended with modern muscle. Long hood, short rear deck, and fenders that bulge like they've been lifting steel at the gym for decades. It rides on 20-inch forged aluminum wheels, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport for S tires, and wears flush door handles with subtle SS454 for badging. The carbon fiber side skirts aren't just aggressive, they're functional. And when you walk around the back, it gets even better. LED taillights nod to the original quad design, but stretch across in a sleek, modern strip. The ducktail spoiler is molded right into the trunk lid, and a carbon fiber rear panel proudly displays that Nova badge, Reborn in brushed chrome. Down low, a deep diffuser framing quad exhaust tips that look like they could swallow small. Planets. Interior, retro soul. Modern comfort. Step inside, and this isn't the bare bones muscle car of yesteryear. This is a performance cockpit designed for speed, comfort, and a little luxury. You're greeted by leather and Alcantara performance. Seats, heavily bolstered, stitched in red, and embroidered with SS logos. The flat-bottom suede steering wheel has a red center marker, and integrated paddle shifters for the automatic crowd. Front and center, a 12-inch fully digital gauge cluster, fully customizable, and a 15-inch vertical infotainment display, loaded with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Chevy's latest performance telemetry. Everywhere you look, it's carbon fiber trims, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting. Even the round air vents echo the original Nova's design. Cues, and for comfort, you've got adaptive climate zones, wireless charging, a premium Bose audio system, and a race-inspired heads-up display showing speed, G-force, and shift indicators. Performance, the 454 Zagano. Here's where the hairs on your neck stand up. Under that hood sits a naturally aspirated 7.4-liter V8, the legendary 450 cubic inches, proudly keeping its heritage alive. 650 horsepower, 620 pounds FT of torque, sent to the rear wheels through a Tremec 6-speed manual, or an optional 10-speed, automatic for lightning fast shifts. The sound, oh, it's pure unfiltered V8 thunder. No fake exhaust trickery here. When you hit redline, it's a primal roar that rattles your chest. Performance numbers, brutal. 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds with the automatic, quarter mile in 11.2 seconds. And thanks to a re-engineered aluminum frame, magnetic ride control, and a limited slip differential, it's just as composed in a corner as it is on a drag strip. Braking, Brembo 6-piston fronts and 4-piston rears make sure this missile can stop just as aggressively as it goes. And with drive modes, track, sport, and custom, you can go from Sunday cruise to street warfare in a heartbeat. Pricing in rivals-based price starts around $70,000 to $1,000. Fully loaded, around $85,000. And at that price, it's squaring up against some serious names. The Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, the Mustang Dark Horse, and holding its own with a mix of heritage, tech, and raw muscle that's hard to beat. Final thoughts. The Resurrection 2025 Chevy Nova SS454 is exactly what the muscle car world needed. It's loud, it's fast, it's beautifully brutal, and it's dripping with soul. Whether you're heading to the drag strip, rolling into a late night meet, or just cruising Main Street, This Nova turns heads, shakes pavement, and demands respect. Chevy didn't just bring back a name, they brought back a feeling. That goosebump-inducing rush that only a big V8 and an open road can give you. Zoom Auto family, I want to know, would you take the new Nova over its modern muscle rivals? Or are you loyal to another nameplate? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more insane rides, deep dives, and automotive legends reborn. This isn't just a comeback, this is resurrection. Stay fast, stay loud, and I'll catch you in the next one.